Do you find yourself spending hours manually pricing personal property claims? The process can be tedious and time-consuming. Introducing XactContents Autopricing, an innovative feature that can speed up your workflow and increase the accuracy of your claim. The autopricing workflow is straightforward. First, you'll add the items to your inventory in XactContents. You can do this by manually typing in the item descriptions or by importing the items from an Excel template. To account for depreciation, enter the age of the items before clicking Auto Price, so the system can calculate the depreciation correctly. Be aware that auto pricing will only run on the USRMISC items and will not run on anything that already has a category and selector code entered. You'll also need to make sure your depreciation is set to age/condition, which can be adjusted from the Parameters section of the Claim Info tab. Once the items are added, click on the Auto Pricing tab. The system will automatically generate a price for each item based on the latest available data from the selected price list. Also, auto pricing uses general price lists, which are not brand or vendor specific. This means you're getting a general quote for items. If you require vendor-specific prices for high-value items, or if you need to change the selector code to make it a higher or lower quality item, you can go back to the Inventory tab to manually change the price or codes. Once auto pricing has generated the prices for your items, it's time to approve them. Approve items individually by clicking Approve on each line, or approve all items at once by clicking Approve All here. You'll notice that in my inventory, items with medium and high confidence are already marked as approved. One of the key time-saving features of auto pricing is that items can be automatically approved based on a confidence level. This means you won't need to manually review each of these items. They're ready to go as soon as they're priced, ensuring a smoother workflow. However, if you'd like more control over which items are auto-approved, you can adjust these settings directly in Xactimate Admin. This allows you to fine-tune the approval thresholds and ensure that only the items you're comfortable with are automatically approved, based on your specific criteria. You can return to the Inventory tab at any time to add or review items. Any items marked in red will need your approval. You can also switch back and forth between the inventory list and auto price to refresh and update outstanding items. Once all items are approved, take a moment to review your list. If depreciation was entered, you'll see it applied directly to each relevant line item. Once you've added and priced all items from your inventory, you can generate a contents detail report by navigating to Documents, selecting Reports, and then selecting the Contents Detail Report from the drop-down menu. And that's how to use the XactContents auto pricing feature to save time and increase the accuracy of your estimates. If you're interested in using this feature or need more information, please contact your Property Estimating Solutions Customer Success Manager.
Want more Xactimate wisdom? Check out our full library of expert tip videos, bite-sized lessons designed to make you smarter, faster, and better at what you do. Be sure to like and subscribe.